Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk EGR valve used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn off the ignition, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You can now see the EGR valve. There are a multitude of symptoms linked to an EGR breakdown: loss of power, injection issues, appearance of warning lights. Using a small ratchet, an extension and a 12mm socket, unscrew the two screws from the metal duct on the EGR valve and remove them. Then unscrew the screw located on the upper part, as well as the two nuts. Remove the duct from its attachment by sliding it to the side and then gently move it aside so that it does not interfere with the next steps. Remove the second part of the duct. You can now remove the EGR valve supply connector by pressing and pulling the tab. It is now necessary to remove the first coolant inlet hose. Use pliers to squeeze both ends of the clamp. Using a small flathead screwdriver, finish by removing the hose. Using a ratchet and a 12mm socket, unscrew the two screws holding the valve and remove it. Remove the metallic seal from the valve. Lift the valve slightly to gain access to the second cooling hose, which is difficult to access. Repeat the same process on the second hose. Remove the second metallic seal from the valve, and then the double gasket located on the duct. Using a flathead screwdriver and a vacuum cleaner, scrape and vacuum the carbon deposits clogging the metal duct and other components connected to the valve. Take a cloth and brake cleaner and clean all contact surfaces related to the valve.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You can find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto website and linked in the description. Take hold of your new EGR valve and compare it with the old one to ensure that both are identical. Fit the EGR valve, then start by reconnecting the coolant outlet hose. Fix it in place with pliers. Put the metallic seal back in, and position the valve with the screws pre-installed to keep the gasket in the right position. Screw the holding screws onto the valve back in. Reconnect the second coolant hose. Fix it in place with pliers. Reconnect the valve's electrical connections. Reinstall the second metallic seal on the valve, and then the double gasket on the duct. Then install the component and the last metallic seal. Then put the metal duct on and tighten all the screws and nuts by hand. Finalize the tightening with a ratchet. Finally, put the engine cover back in place. To complete the operation, take advantage of the opportunity to clean the injection system by directly pouring injector cleaner into the reservoir, which will help avoid numerous problems linked to injection and will guarantee an optimal engine ignition. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.